If you get these notifications saying you have a virus or security issue, don't worry. They're all fake and your computer's not at risk. When you click on them, even to X them out, it will either take you to a fake site with a fake virus scanner or another fake virus alert will take its place. They aren't actually scanning anything and will just lead you to a fake payment screen to buy McAfee or Norton antivirus. They just want to scam you out of some money. You can see they're all located within your browser and you can easily close out all these tabs. When you look closely at these supposed security alerts, it says it's a Google Chrome notification in the middle of it. If you're using either Firefox or Edge, the alerts look very similar, and the process for removing them is also very similar. There are differences though, and we will get to those browsers soon. Click on the Windows search bar at the bottom and type in Notifications. When you do, the Notifications and Actions settings comes up. Select it. The fake virus notifications might be covering the on-off switch, so just click on where it says Google Chrome. Now at the top, click on the switch to turn off all notifications. All fake virus alerts instantly disappear and you will not get any notifications from Google Chrome whatsoever. But what if you want legitimate notifications from websites like Outlook Mail or Facebook? We'll have to turn the Google notifications back on and go into the browser settings to get rid of the fake virus alerts individually. The fake alerts will come back and we want them to come back. In the middle of every fake virus alert, there are 3 dots. Click on them. Click on the first option that says Go to Chrome Notification Settings. At the bottom of the page, you will see the Allowed to Send Notifications section. Here we can spot the notifications sending the fake virus alerts. For each one, click on the 3 dots and select Remove. Now the fake virus and security alerts have been deleted and you can get your regular notifications from the sites you actually want notifications from. But you might be wondering, how did you get these fake virus and security alerts in the first place? It's because you've gone to a sketchy or insecure website that asks you to check a box that says you're not a robot, and then clicked Allow to get notifications. The notifications might not pop up right away after you click Allow, but they eventually will. The fake virus and security alerts in Firefox look a little different than those that pop up in Google Chrome. The notifications are a little bit smaller in size, but act exactly the same. When you click on the 3 dots in the notifications, you get similar options as the Chrome notifications. If you click on the last option, it will take you right to turning off all notifications for Firefox. But you can also go through the Windows notification settings as usual, and then click on Firefox just as I showed you with the Chrome browser. But again, this turns off all Firefox notifications. To get rid of just the fake virus notifications, click on the 3 dots. Now click on the notification settings. If it doesn't go right to the notification settings and instead opens up a fake virus scan website, just close that tab. Change your browser to windowed and then click on the 3-line menu. Now scroll down and click on Settings. On the left side, click on Permissions and Data. Now click on where it says Notifications. You can see the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Under the status column, you can either allow or block, but we want to delete them permanently. Highlight the website you want to delete and click on Remove Website. Do this for all the ones that are sending you the fake virus alerts. Now X out all the fake alerts on the right-hand side. You might have to do this a few times before they all disappear. The fake virus and security alerts in Edge look very similar to the ones in Google Chrome. The difference here is that it doesn't say the browser name in the middle of the alert. It either shows a website address or a long string of characters. That's how you know the fake alerts are coming from Edge. Go to the Windows Notifications and Actions settings. You can see that it doesn't list Edge like it does Chrome or Firefox. It lists the website or the string of characters with Microsoft Edge in the brackets. There is no setting to block all notifications for Edge. You have to do it one by one. Now drag the Edge browser from the top so you can be in windowed mode, since the notifications are blocking pretty much everything on the screen that you need to do. Now you can click on them to turn off the notifications. But if you wanted to permanently delete the fake virus notifications, click on the 3 dots of the fake virus alert and click on Go to Microsoft Edge Notification Settings. In the section that says Allowed to Send Notifications, click on the 3 dots and select Remove for each one. Now you know how to get rid of these annoying notifications, what caused them, and how to prevent them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.